Wind-solar hybrid system. Windwise. Sujalam is a green energy promoter you would be glad to associate with. Sujalam pioneers supply of off-grid wind-solar hybrid energy system. The system generates power at low speed and innovation by itself. Required wind is easily and freely available at open lands, deserts, hills, and coastal areas. The system is designed to capture energy in a complementary and combined way. At times of no wind, the energy is available through solar photovoltaic panels during daytime, and the windmill generates energy wherever suitable wind speed is available. The generated energy can be stored in a battery bank, routed through inverter, or used directly. Wind-solar hybrid energy system has an extended use where grids connection are unavailable, and also where grid staggering is a regular problem. Wind-solar hybrid energy system has received a wider acceptance in reference to nature-saving, abundant source, and as a green energy solution. A time switch to nature. We have stepped into an age of increasing fuel prices, scarcity building up for other sources or costlier alternatives. Sujalam serves you a unique and innovative solution of harnessing power from solar photovoltaic panels and wind generators, along with interfacing of grid power and diesel generators. Remember, you are switching to the most economical way of storing and utilizing of power without interruption. Product features. Being a noiseless wind generator, it can be installed in residential areas and even on a rooftop up to 5 kilowatt wind turbine. Harness highest power between intervals of 2.2 meter second to 6 meter second. This is the lowest compared with other models sold in India. Low RPM, high torque generator and safety protection from high wind speed. Dual safety protection on blade, SS tension and flap on blade. Indigenously designed to provide maximum services with minimum maintenance. Very economical compared to solar PVC cell, fuel and commercial electricity. Tailor-made solution as per user's need. Designs available from 6 volt to 440 volts. Most eco-friendly source of energy. AC-DC auto charge controller with overcharge and undercharge protection and auto grid charge over. Specifically designed to suit prevalent wind and lowest rated wind speed. No scheduled maintenance required and designed for over 20 plus years of life. Benefit in taxation for commercial establishments. Technology. The axial flux wind generators gain peak of 300 RPM at 6 meter per second wind speed. Yaw movement, blade angle and external flap, that is air on the blades, control the speed. Restricted RPM results into many advantages like eliminated noise pollution, controlled charging voltage for battery bank and longer life to enclosed bearings. There is negligible vibration in either terrace or tower mounted models. Protection to the blades is built in against flying particles due to breakdown during cyclone or stronger winds. Beside the standard models available, we have the necessary expertise to provide custom-based solutions. Tailor-made solutions for remote locations, mines, hilly areas, desert areas, and the region below 0 degrees Celsius can be implemented. The generators, which is the heart of any wind-solar hybrid energy system, can be made for any non-standard voltage rating, not available as a standard product in our brochure. We can also integrate our wind power system into existing solar PV, diesel genset, or grid-based system.